Get ready to witness the evolution of speed and power as Chevrolet introduces the highly anticipated 2025 Corvette ZR1. Building upon the legacy of the Z06, this new model promises to redefine the limits of performance, pushing the boundaries with its aerodynamic prowess and a heart-stopping V8 engine. In this video, we'll delve into the key features, specifications, and what sets the ZR1 apart in the competitive world of sports cars. Overview: the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is set to outshine its predecessor, the Z06, with a mighty naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8 engine. Boasting a staggering 670 horsepower, this American icon is gearing up to go head-to-head with the likes of Ferraris and Lamborghinis. But hold on, there's more to come. A hybridized version is expected in 2026, with an electric motor propelling the Corvette toward an astonishing 1,000 horsepower. What's new for 2025? The ZR1 marks a new chapter for Chevrolet, being an all-new model set to hit the roads in 2025. While it shares some components with the Z06, the ZR1 brings its unique flair with an upgraded V8 engine and a distinctive aerodynamic package designed to enhance performance. Pricing and which one to buy. With great power comes a price tag to match. The estimated starting price for the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is around $150,000. Stay tuned for more details on the available packages, including the possibility of an extreme Z07-style track package similar to the Z06. Engine, transmission, and performance. Under the hood, the ZR1 boasts a flat plane crank 5.5-liter V8 engine, now turbocharged to deliver over 800 horsepower. Sending all that power to the rear wheels, the ZR1 is equipped with wide, grippy tires for blisteringly quick lap times. With carbon fiber brakes from the Z06 and a predicted 0-60 mph time of under 2.5 seconds, the ZR1 is a force to be reckoned with. Stay tuned for updates. As more information becomes available, we'll keep you updated on crucial details such as fuel economy, real-world MPG, interior comfort, cargo space, infotainment and connectivity options, safety features, and warranty coverage. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 promises to be a game-changer, and we'll be here to bring you the latest updates on this high-performance masterpiece. Subscribe for a front-row seat to the revolution in automotive excellence.